Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up your Shopify checkout step by step. A well-configured checkout is incredibly important for your online store, as it directly impacts customer satisfaction and conversion rates. We will go through the key settings and options to ensure your customers have a smooth and efficient purchasing journey. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to optimize your checkout for success. Let's start by configuring the basic checkout settings. First, you will select how customers can contact you, typically via email or phone. Next, decide if customer accounts are optional, required, or disabled. Optional is often best for convenience. Then, customize the form options to collect essential customer information efficiently. Finally, set your order processing preferences, such as automatically archiving paid orders, to streamline your workflow. Now, let's move on to setting up shipping and payments, two critical components of any online store. You will need to establish clear shipping zones and rates for all your delivery areas, both locally and globally. Next, integrate your chosen payment gateways, such as Shopify Payments, PayPal, or Stripe, to offer diverse payment options. Don't forget to enable express checkout for quicker purchases. Always test these settings with a dummy order to ensure everything works perfectly. Finally, it's time for customization and a thorough review. Personalize your checkout page's appearance to match your brand, ensuring a consistent customer experience. Crucially, add your privacy policy and terms of service to build trust and ensure legal compliance. Implement abandoned cart recovery emails to gently remind customers about their pending purchases, potentially recovering lost sales. Before going live, perform a complete test purchase from start to finish to confirm every step is flawless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.